I feel like I'm in Minnesota. The terrain, almost identical. The architecture, pretty identical, pretty close, but I'm in upstate New York. It's like my 700th time up here, and I've never been to Rochester. You can tell there's a small town feel to the city, and I'm really excited to meet my winners.
Shanna and Kayla are lucky enough to win the lottery at such a young age. They're both only 25. And I can't wait to find out their plans.
Are these my winners?
Yes.
Hi, cutie pie.
Welcome to Rochester.
Oh my gosh, it's so good to be here.
Thank you.
Hi. So we're in Rochester. Chunk of money, not too much. It's gonna come to me. Generally, I always ask the budget last, but I wanna know first.
Our budget we settled on is $240. That's as much as we feel like we want to spend right now.
Do you guys own a house right now?
We are living in an apartment right now.
Okay.
We like a little bit of space if we can have it.
So going out of downtown?
Yes.
Are we going to the country or just suburbs?
Suburbs, country, either one.
Either one,
Either one?
really, yeah. Anywhere outside of the city with space.
Wow, easy.
Yeah.
Bedrooms, bathrooms, square footage.
2 to 3 bedrooms.
Okay.
2 bathrooms, probably not really particular on bathrooms or bedrooms, really. We're fine with
Want to get out
Yeah.
of.
You just weren't
We just want to have a house.
We just think we're gonna walk into a house and just know that like that's the one.
We kind of want a fixer-upper, like.
We like projects.
Yes.
How big are projects?
Any size, really.
You're
Doing
handy?
it.
Also-
Yeah. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. My dad helps with anything we need help
Is
with.
he a general contractor?
He was before.
He sounds amazing.
Yeah.
All right, so this is exciting. Give me some luck. Good luck, hugs. Oh, thank you. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Gabby gave me a lot of variety. I'm starting at a property with plenty of outdoor space. Teelins Pond is just a little out of town and would make a great first home.
Looking for your house.
Yay!
First time homeowners.
Yes.
How good is that?
It is great. Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
What do you think of this one? How
We're
cute
so
is it?
excited. It's so cute.
So, let me tell you a little bit about Teelins Pond.
Okay.
Has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, has 1,117 square feet, sits on a half an acre. Now, we never really discussed lawn maintenance, but
Yeah.
we definitely will if this is going to be your property.
Yes.
You guys want to hear the price?
Yeah.
$225,000.
Okay.
Oh,
Not bad,
that sounds
right?
good. Yeah.
Let's go look. I personally love the colors. I think they're super sweet. Here we go inside the mob door. It's an older house.
Wow.
Wow.
This is
love
cute.
I love the floors.
So the floors are great, aren't they?
Yes.
I mean, look at
Yes.
this.
They look like original.
They are 100% original.
Yeah.
So space-wise, what do you think?
I like it's pretty cozy.
Yeah.
I like
Yeah.
it.
Outside is very cottagey. Everything here is more like craftsman.
Yeah.
All right, let's continue.
Okay.
So here we have our first bedroom.
Wow.
It's a good size space.
Yes.
Nice and cozy.
Yep, nice and cozy. It's
Yeah.
another way for say, what is it? Spa.
Yeah.
It's a really polite way. All right, so here we have a bathroom downstairs, and we have a bedroom over here, so it's the shared bathroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here we have another bedroom.
Yeah, I like that the floors are continued throughout.
Yeah, the floors are beautiful. All right, let's check out the kitchen.
Okay.
The cute cuddle
Wow,
cup.
this is a nice size.
Isn't this a great
Yeah.
size?
It is. I love the cabinet color.
I think it's great. It's kind of like an olive,
Yeah.
Yeah.
sagey type of moment. I think it's beautiful. You
Yeah.
know?
We could change the countertops eventually, but that's not a necessity right now.
No. All right, so upstairs is a work in progress.
Okay.
But I think the idea and concept that they have going up there, I think is really fun. All right, stairs are original. You can tell I have to walk up sideways. But this is a really fun space
Wow.
that you could do so much with.
Yeah, there's so many opportunities with this
Oh, it
area.
is really big.
Bathroom right here.
Really make it our own.
It has a shower here, so you can utilize the shower.
Yes.
While the basement is only partially finished, it's move-in ready and a great bonus room. It also has access to the back garden.
Really?
Oh, wow.
Oh, that is nice.
So if you had another bedroom back there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So obviously a garage is important during the winter.
Yeah.
Wonderful. It's not attached, but with an older home, it's kind of hard to find that.
Yeah.
I mean, look how terrific this is.
Yes, this is really great.
It's manicured beautifully. There's so much space to do so much more.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Lots of character and lots of room.
You started
for-
out strong for us.
Yeah.
Well, it's good because I have a lot of other properties just like this. Well, before I leave the property, I say we just go walk it.
Okay.
Because, you know, you never know what you're going to find.
Yeah.
Like, how cute is this?
Yeah, that could be a water feature.
It looks like it was.
Looking for a first home? There's bound to be projects, and Shanna and Kayla are not afraid to take them on. So today, I'm showing a very attractive fixer-upper. Wilford Way has all the big-ticket items done. Roofing, windows, HVAC, but the interior is untouched and ready for the new owner to give it their own style.
Wow, look at the trees.
What do you think of this neighborhood?
I love the trees in the yard.
Yeah.
It's so nice. It's a lovely rainy day, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
The house is adorable. I'm excited to show it to you.
Yeah.
It's a true fixer-upper.
Okay.
All right, you want to hear about Wolfler Way?
Yes.
All right, it's got 4 bedrooms.
Oh, that's a
Woohoo.
lot.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
It's got 2 bathrooms. It's at almost 1,400 square feet with an
Okay.
unfinished basement. It sits on a half an acre, just about a half an acre, and the price starts at $174,900.
Okay.
Wow.
I know.
That's a good starting price.
It is a good starting price.
Yeah.
So it'll probably go up around 25, 35, 40,000. All depends on the desired neighborhood,
Right.
all of that fun
Okay.
stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
But let's get in
Okay.
and get moving and grooving.
Yeah.
'Cause we gotta
Good.
get you into your dream first home. 2-car attached garage.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
I love that
Yeah.
window.
Window is great, right? Here we go, guys. Super smooth. All right, come on in, guys.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
I love this open area when you first come in.
Oh.
Right? Isn't this
Yes.
great? Let me just close this.
Yes.
Yeah, this is cute.
Isn't it nice?
Yes.
Obviously, the carpet's brand new, which is nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's start with the bedrooms.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have 2 bedrooms and 1 full bath down here. We'll start with the bathroom.
Okay.
Super quirky.
Ooh, wow.
Oh. Oh.
Go in there.
Go in.
It's
Okay.
cute, right?
It is
Yeah, it
cute.
is
This
cute.
is character.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure. I love all the blues.
Blues are fun, right? So you would keep the tile?
I might.
You put really fun wallpaper in here
Yeah,
that has that
yeah.
shade of blue.
I love wallpaper.
She does.
She doesn't love wallpaper.
Well, you know what?
There are plenty of rooms to debate over the wallpaper. With 2 bedrooms downstairs, and the second floor has 2 more.
And then we have our main bedroom, or what you could have as your main bedroom.
Yeah. This is like the finished version of the room we saw yesterday.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We do have a bathroom here. It's
Okay.
an ensuite. Go check it out.
Nice. I like the shower in the corner.
Yeah, that is nice.
Yeah.
It's not huge.
Good size for just us.
Yeah. All right. Shall we go outside? Oh, we're gonna go downstairs.
Okay.
Okay.
Great dining room here.
Yeah, this is
Plenty
good
of space
space.
for family. And we have a really large kitchen.
Yes,
Wow.
this is a nice open kitchen.
So-
I really love the cabinets.
Yeah. So I think this is one thing that has been updated,
Mm-hmm.
obviously.
So the countertops we could switch them, but
Mm-hmm.
I think for moving in purposes it would be totally fine.
Yeah. I mean, you guys can have fun with the cabinets. I mean,
Yeah.
they are beautiful.
Yeah, there's so many opportunities here.
So many. All right. So we have a 3-season porch here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's big.
It's big. It's huge.
Yeah, lots of space.
So I want to hear your creative brains go. What would you do here? It's an interesting area.
Yeah. Well, you could make it into a mudroom.
Need
Use
that
extra
here.
storage space.
Floor to ceiling cubbies.
Yeah,
Yes, that's
lots of
exactly what I was
storage.
picturing.
Yeah.
You could move the laundry up here even to have it on the main floor.
You are so smart. Huh. That's a great idea.
Yeah.
But I want you to look out here, see the deck, and
Yes.
then look at
Wow.
the beautiful space. Look at this.
Yeah,
So
the
many trees.
I like
again.
It's kind of
I
nice.
like the
right?
privacy.
You guys like the property?
Yes.
Give me some notes. I am your genie. I will make your wishes come true.
We like the house today too. I mean, we'll trust you and
Just keep going.
just keep going. We'll see what you show us tomorrow.
This is probably the first time I've received no notes from my winners at all of what to do. They just said, keep going. And I'm like, great. So I'm taking them to Tamarack Tree. It's a great piece of property in a wonderful neighborhood. Got lots of character, lots of charm.
I love the color of this house.
Oh, good, I'm so glad. It's so sweet.
Yeah.
I love all the shutters, all the detail.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
So let me tell you a little bit about Tamarack Tree.
Okay.
It's got 4 bedrooms, just 1 bathroom.
Okay.
But you're not afraid
No.
to add another one
No,
somewhere.
we're not.
It's our largest home at 1,709 square feet.
Wow.
Sits on our smallest lot, but it doesn't feel like it.
Okay.
It's at 0.4 acres.
Okay.
And the prices, again, coming in really nicely because they come in low here because they want the
Yes.
bidding war.
Yes.
So 184.9 is
Okay.
the starting price
Another
point.
good start price.
Let's take a look at this
Okay.
cute, adorable house. All right, guys, come on in.
Wow.
Wow.
This is so
Ooh,
cute.
the floors.
Right? Got a little tile action happening.
Yeah.
A little foyer, if you will. How cute is this arch?
Yeah.
I love the arch. I love the floors.
Good. Should we check out the living room?
Feels more open
Yes.
with the archway.
Right.
Those are super cute.
It's a good size, isn't
Yeah.
it? All right, so we come right
Ooh.
into an open kitchen and
Wow.
It
dining
is
room.
open.
Right?
Yes.
These are classic.
It's a country style.
Right.
And of course with the adorable little trim, which I totally am gonna steal that. All right, so we're gonna jump right in to the main
Ooh.
bedroom.
Wow, this is so cozy.
I
Isn't it
love
adorable?
this. I love this layout.
Yeah, a little quirk, actually.
Yeah, the multi-levels really gives it more of that character we saw downstairs.
Yeah.
This is big. What is this?
Laundry.
Oh, that would be so convenient.
The one and only bathroom is a decent size, but there's room to convert one of the smaller bedrooms to an ensuite.
All right, guys. Another great backyard, great space.
nice.
Yeah.
And it walks up to a deck that goes into an above ground pool.
That's
Give me
awesome.
honest opinions.
I don't care.
What
I
do you
love
feel?
a pool to entertain.
You guys are so easy. But see how big the property is?
Yeah,
it's very
it's a
comparable
good
to the
size.
other two.
Yep.
Yeah. Seen lots of different spaces.
Yeah.
Now you just got to figure out where you want to be.
A big decision to make.
Your first home.
Yeah.
All right, you guys have a big decision, and I'm freezing.
Yes.
So let's get out of here.
Okay.
I'm gonna go shopping. All right. We started out with the most expensive house.
Yes.
The Teelins Pond.
I loved the quirky layout.
The backyard, I think, was our favorite, or my favorite, I guess, for that one. It felt very private.
The house has tons of potential.
Yeah.
It was the smallest house for New York standards of how they rate square footage, but there's
Right.
still 2 spaces that you can finish.
Yeah.
Yep.
Lots of options there. It was
Yeah.
a great house to grow into.
Yes,
Yes.
for sure.
They actually all were, and I loved the neighborhood of Waffle Lake because it felt like a neighborhood.
Yes,
Yes.
it did.
You know?
It seemed like family area. The street was a lot quieter.
That was a true fixer-upper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a perfect blank canvas of like, you can add so much.
Yeah.
We love the potential.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And the colorful bathroom.
Yeah, that was so cute. I love that
was
you guys
cute.
love that. So Tamarack tree, the blue house.
The outside of that house, like walking up to it, the curb appeal was awesome.
was
For
really
me, that
fun.
was
It
yeah,
was.
really cool.
The archways were nice in there.
The move-in ready, could move in and then work on your projects.
Yep.
And I loved the pool in the backyard.
Oh yeah, it had that cute deck.
The cute patio
Yeah.
space in the back was nice.
It seems like each house you could have done your magic
Everything
in.
has a good,
Yeah, for sure.
potential. It was a hard decision.
Where are we going?
I think the vibe that we liked the most was
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh.
we're going to go with Teelins Pond.
Of course you are. It was the house that had quirkiness on the inside and the outside naturally.
Yeah, with the floors. Those were so nice.
It really just felt natural being in there. It really spoke to us, I think. So.
Now she's only gonna get like 1 lottery ticket every other month now because of the budget.
Well, let's see if she actually tells you if she's doing that or not.
right.
We ended up choosing Teelins Pond.
Ooh, pop some bottles, girl.
Whoa.
Hi. How are you?
Hi.
This is so nice. We love to have company, and before in our apartment we couldn't do that. It was pretty small.
Well, how was David?
It was so much fun. We had a great time.
Having this space to entertain, to have people over, my nieces and nephews and my family, her family all at once even. It's just a great space to do that.
Also, the big yard out back that was already fenced in for our dog, that was really important to us.
Yeah. Hey, come here.
We got here just in time, right before the winter, and we're hoping to be able to enjoy a bonfire and hang out with our family outside, enjoy the leaves, and the last of being outside before the snow comes.
Nice spot for your first campfire.
Yeah.
And it's just close enough to everything and then far enough out that we can have things like a bonfire and, space. So it's perfect.